Hi everyone, just stopping in real quick to show you guys a quick DIY project I recently did. When my parents were in town, my mom mentioned that I didn't have drawers in my guest room for people to put away their things. I hadn't really thought about ever unpacking on a vacation, but I went ahead on Amazon Prime Day and found a few pieces pretty inexpensive that I could put in there to make do, and figure down the road I will buy something that's a little bit more robust and refinish it. For now, though, I had a couple of odd pieces in that room that I didn't know what else to do with, so I decided I would go ahead and try to play off of the very colorful new Amazon pieces to make the room come together, which brought in sage. So I used it's the Waverly chalk paint Sillery and sand dollar for the ultra matte sand dollar spray paint for the drawer pulls, and then I use the all-in-one bone shade for the trim. And this is how it turned out. Let me know what you think. Thanks and have a great day. Hey, if you're into true crime, join our missing persons community on Twitter.